Well, on that day I woke up and I had a pounding pain behind my left eye, and it was a very pulsating, caustic kind of pain, something I'd never experienced before. And so I thought, I'm just having a headache. So I got up and I realized that I was sensitive to light. So I closed the blinds in my bedroom and thought exercise would be a good thing because that was my normal routine. So I jumped onto my cardiac glider, which is a full body, full exercise machine, and started exercising. And I realized that I looked at my hands, and my hands looked like primitive claws grasping onto the bar instead of just looking like my hands on the bar, me not even thinking about them. And I looked down at my body and I thought, wow, I'm a strange looking thing. And it was as though I had shifted, my consciousness had shifted away from my normal perception of reality where I'm the person on the machine having the experience to some esoteric space where I'm witnessing myself having this experience. And it was, as a neuroscientist, I was fascinated with what's going on and trying to analyze, have I ever experienced anything like this before? And it turns out that I was experiencing a major hemorrhage in the left half of my brain.